Welcome back. You're with us on Trading Hour. Well, the next company in focus is BLS International. Now, BLS International has completed the acquisition of a 100% equity stake in Citizenship Invest, which is a Dubai-based company that specializes in, and I quote, fast-track investor programs for residency and citizenship across more than 50 countries. This is, of course, what we got from their press release. We have with us Shikhar Aggarwal, Joint Managing Director at BLS International, to try and understand some of the rationale behind it and what it means for the company. Shikhar, great to have you on. Thanks for joining in. So what I understand is that I think you are in total going to pay around 260 crores for this acquisition, right? The company's current sales are about 81 odd crores. So you're paying almost 3 times sales. Tell us the rationale. How does it fit in with your portfolio and what does it bring to the table?
So basically, Citizenship Invest is a company that was established in the year 2009. So it has a 15-year track record, and currently they do, citizenship by investment and residency programs, and last year in calendar year 2023, they did a turnover of 81 crores and an EBITDA of 40 crores. So 45% margin, EBITDA margin, and we have paid 260 crores, which is around a 6-time or 7-time multiple. Normally we typically buy companies around that level. So this company is performing phenomenally well. It is one of the market leaders in this industry. With our network in 70 plus countries, we feel the market opportunity is very big for this kind of industry, wherein there are HNIs, who are investing in second passports, residency across different parts of the world. So we definitely feel that we can value and grow this company in the coming years.
So basically, you're saying that this company, which is Citizenship Invest, it looks at, helping the entire documentation process specifically from an investment perspective for anyone who's looking to take on a dual citizenship purely because of investment. Can you just elaborate on this? How does the model work?
So basically, in this industry, this company is authorized by 15 countries. They are one of the authorized service providers for these 15 countries in Caribbean island, in European countries, etc. So they help, individuals obtain passports by investments or donations. Different schemes of different governments are there, and they also help in obtaining residencies of different governments of different countries. So as you see, globally, there is a big demand for these kind of services. The market size is it's a multi-billion-dollar market. Every year around 30 to 40,000 applications are processed. And, this company does only around 300 to 400 applications every year. So the market potential is huge. There's a huge growth potential. They are currently headquartered in Dubai, with our reach of 70 plus countries and millions of customers, we will definitely try to upsell these services. So we see major growth in the coming years. And also this company grew 43% last year. So this year also, we expect good growth coming in this company.
So basically you're saying that all of your customers using the services of this Dubai-based company will be able to get citizenship of these, key jurisdictions. You said they're in the Caribbean islands. And can you just name the jurisdictions, please?
So basically, we are currently present in 70 plus countries. So
no, not you. I'm talking about the jurisdictions for which
Correct.
This company has authorization that it can get you citizenship in these
Correct.
15 odd countries. Which are these
Correct.
countries?
So there are multiple countries in Caribbean islands, multiple countries in Europe. So every year, new countries introduce different schemes. So there are multiple countries.
Shikhar, good morning. Thank you for joining in. How you've mentioned you've paid almost 3 times sales for this. Now, what are your plans to grow this company once it comes into your stable, and does that ensure that your growth also accelerates from what you are currently growing at already?
Yes. See, last year, if you see first quarter, we did 120 crores of EBITDA. That was a 70% growth compared to similar quarter last year. This does not have the numbers of either Citizenship Invest that we acquired in the last few weeks, and also iData that we acquired on 10th of July. So definitely, this company will add on to the margins and revenue and profitability from third quarter itself. And also we see a major growth coming in that will add in turn to BLS International growth. As I spoke, we have only touched the tip of the iceberg. This company is expert in this industry with very good credentials, very good relationship with the client governments, very big customer base. Now, using our network of our presence in 70 plus countries, we can, do their growth multifold in the coming years.
You know, your digital business, Shikhar, was growing at around in single digits. Does this acquisition help you go back to double digits for this business, for the digital business?
This business is under BLS International, which is our visa consular services business, and we grew 70% in the first quarter in this business. And this Citizenship Invest also grew more than 40% last year. So definitely, this will go. I think we expect the growth to maintain in the coming years.
Shikhar, would it be, sort of correct to interpret this in a way that a lot of, say, HNI, ultra HNIs, who are looking for smart tax planning and all legal ways of, better structures in tax planning and looking for overseas destinations, this would be a valuable service to that target category of your customers?
See, definitely, this will be a valuable service to all HNI individuals across the world, from different territories, not only India, but also from a lot of developing countries in the Middle East, in African countries, in America. And people are now looking for second citizenship passports for multiple reasons, So that is why we feel the target market is quite big. It is growing year on year, and we expect major growth coming in this business in the coming years.
Okay, all right. We will leave it on that note for now. Shikhar, thank you very much for joining in. There's very important news on ours.